Hi, welcome to Catherine's Corner. Here's my little co-host, Sophie. She's my good girl, always with me. How are you doing today? Beautiful sunny day here in Ohio. Still cold, but at least there's sunshine, and that always makes me feel better. Her too, huh? You ready to get down? We have a Boxycharm video. A little surprise, my Boxycharm base box came in. I've already just cut the tape, but I haven't opened it, so didn't put any makeup on, so we can use whatever's inside. Here's what's in the box. So fresh and so clean. We'll read the tag as we pull it out and see what we have. Goodies. Where to start? Oh, looks like a palette. Wander Beauty. Sweet Escape. I didn't bring any brushes out. Oh my. I guess maybe we won't be trying this unless I do it with my fingers. Why not? It's what we used to do back before we had brushes and such. Oh my. Sealed good. Nobody's gonna get in this baby. I'm an eyeshadow junkie. I just think they're pretty. Same as on the outside. Oh. I'm gonna turn it upside down so the mirror doesn't. Oh, that glittery one is just, oh, my colors. I think I'm gonna love playing with this palette. Even though I don't have any primer or anything, I think we're gonna play fingers. I don't care. We'll play. That is so pretty. What other wonders do I have in the box? True and Luscious. Oh, Angel Eyes Primer Base. Yay. Oh, we'll be trying this out, won't we? Color correcting eye primer infused with soothing botanicals extracts that create a makeup gripping. That creates a makeup gripping canvas out to maximize color vibrancy and prevent creasing. Ooh, fading and creasing, smudging, or fading for up to 16 hours. Never heard of this brand, but guess what? We're going to try that too. Fun. What else do I have in here? Persona. Vegan gluten-free balm. Ooh. Manifest. Let's see. I don't think I've tried any balm from Persona. But you know I'm loving anything that's cruelty-free. And I've been using a lot of balm. This is, come on, here we go. Oh. Let's see what it looks like. I didn't bring a mirror either. A hint of color, but not too much. Silky. Nice. I like this. So far, we're doing great. What else is this? Earth Harbor Nebula. Adaptogen, Clarity, Impule, Sea Lavender, and Ginseng. What is this? Maybe if I looked at here, I could tell you more about it. What we got here? The Wander Beauty palette is the manufacturer's price is $42. The Earth Harbor's Adaptogen, Clarity, Impule Peace. It's the answer to finding peaceful energy and light within your skin. Both the potent, clarifying treatment and a gentle glow enhancing elixir. This Ampule, I'll have to look that up, is a featherlight flash absorbing formula specifically designed to help Skin prone to acne, blemishes, and excess oil. Well, I do get excess oil, even at my age. Ooh, I love this balm. We'll try this today, too. Got one more thing in here. That was, the balm was for $22. The Earth Harbor was $46. The primer was $22. Oh, and this is Shayna B from Miami. I've had some of her eyeshadow, but haven't tried it yet. This is a cream blush. Okay, I don't have any makeup on, but we'll use my fingers and we'll try her cream blush. I'm not really into cream blushes. Because I had oily skin, I've kind of stayed away from cream products, but everybody loves them. Oh, cute packaging. She always has little flamingos on her stuff. Pretty color. Why not? Shall we do that first? It's got a mirror. Got a mirror. Oh, I love that lip balm. It looks like it'll be so dark, but it's not. It's such a nice color. Silky soft. Let's put some on. Let's see. My skin is clean, so I don't have to. It's like a natural color. How many of you guys use fingers instead of brushes? Back when I was growing up and first started playing with makeup, that's all we had was fingers. Nobody had brushes. Maybe if you were a professional, but nobody had brushes, except for like if it came with the makeup that you bought. We had those spongy things. What do you guys think? Just a nice little flush of color. We'll see how long it lasts. Pretty nice. All right, this is supposed to be worth $18. So what's it say the total is? Doesn't tell me what the total is. Don't ask me to do mental math because I won't do it. Oh, you know what? I shouldn't have put the blush on until I tried the serum. Well, we're going to try the serum over top of the blush. We're going to do it backwards. Oh, look at how pretty this bottle is. Hey, I'm a rebel. We'll do it backwards. Put a couple drops in my hand. 3 drops. Why not just 3 drops? Take off my glasses. Put my hands together. Let's put more there, more there, more there, since I put that cheap product on. Oh, it has a nice natural scent to it. That might affect how the cheap product wears, but we'll try it again later. But I want to try that. It has a nice, mild, natural scent, botanical scent. I think I'm going to like that. Well, while I have the eyeglasses off, you know, I can't see a thing without my eyeglasses. So we're just going to put, oh, teeny tiny bit of eye primer. Ooh, it's good and sticky. Looks like it blocks out pretty good. It's a nice fleshy color. I should have brought another mirror in. All my makeup is in my bedroom and I'm filming in my living room. I like the plants in the corner. Okay. Put the glasses on for a minute. There is a mirror in here, but I still won't be able to see. What are we going to do first? Oh, we have to be kind of natural because I'm using fingers. Let's put this one, you can't see. I'm gonna put this here, like up in my creasy. That's pretty. This won't be the most fantastic thing because I'm using fingers and not brushes, but it'll be fun. Just to play. What are we gonna put up top? What do you think? All those pretty colors to choose from. Let's put a little bit of this pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. That pretty. And I think put this purpley color like right there. Got a sleepy. Really can't see how that looks. We'll have to see when I put my glasses on. And I think we're gonna go for this fancy purple here. And just put that on the eyelid. Let's see what I get. Can't really see too much. Let's put the glasses on and see what happened. Not bad for fingers. What do you think? Not a bad job for just using fingers. And I like the colors. I think Boxycharm was a winner this month. What do you guys think? I definitely love that balm. I am absolutely loving the eyeshadow palette. And I've been quite pleased with Wonder Beauty. I'm gonna put it back in the box. I don't know how many of you do this. I always put my palettes back in the original box, unless there's a few that you can't. I don't know why I do that. Just to keep them safe, I guess. And I do that with some of my, like this blush. I'm gonna do the same thing with the cream blush. I'm gonna put that back in the, when I put them in my makeup drawers, they're all in their little boxes. I don't think the eyeshadow will be in the, I'll probably throw that away and just leave this in the drawer where I keep my shadows. And I don't usually keep the lipsticks in the boxes. But how many of you keep your eyeshadow palettes in the original boxes that they come in? Or am I the only weirdo that does that? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna just put this shut so if I get any company, my grandchildren don't play in my Boxycharm. They like to see what Grandma gets. Well, I'm quite pleased so far. I think this was a great Boxycharm box. And I'm glad I got it early enough to film, to get this up. I wish I would have had some makeup and stuff on, but I got that way I did get to try this serum, which feels good. It doesn't feel greasy. I love the little mild scent that it had. It doesn't linger. And I love Earth Harbor products. I know they're vegan and cruelty-free, which is so important to me. And I'm so glad to see that in a Boxycharm box. Well, it was so nice of you guys to come for a visit. And I do hope you come back again soon. I'm gonna work on, I think, another plant video. I have one coming up. I've got a plant desperately needs to be put in some leca before I lose it. So I found more leca that I didn't know I had, and I'm gonna get ready to film that soon. So Stay tuned for that and have a wonderful day. I hope it's sunny where you are.